This is fit for a 2018 and beyond Volkswagen Tiguan with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima TimberLine CoreBare base roof rack system. The system is using the CoreBars 50 inches in length, the TimberLine towers, which connect to the raised rails using a flexible rubberized stainless steel band. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 30 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum crossbar spacing is up to 43 inches. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.